Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2016 Toyota Tundra two-wheel drive SR5. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors, splash guards, deep tinted privacy glass, and much more. 18-inch styled steel wheels, all-season tires, a heated wiper park, aero composite halogen daytime running lights, fog lights, and a strong 8-cylinder with only 28,255 miles. The tow package, a locking tailgate, the sliding rear window, the step bumper, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders and under-seat storage. The front row, adjustable fabric bench seating. Cruise, AC, a locking glove box, outside temp, power outlets, a large center console, a tilting steering wheel with convenience controls, the easy-to-use multimedia and GPS touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.